Welcome to the another video of rational numbers. In previous video we studied how to represent rational numbers on number line. Now in today's video we will see two more problems in on number line, but in this today's video we will not see how to represent rational number, but we will practice how to identify numbers on number line after another number. Okay, and these two questions are in book. Okay, before topic 1.4 rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, these two questions are at above topic 1.4. Okay, open your book and see these two questions. Okay, I will write here, but for reference you can see your book, NCERT book. So what is question? Question is write the rational number. Okay, rational number for each point labeled with a letter. Okay, so first is okay, now draw so 0 by 5. Now this is A. Okay, we have to find this letter A. Okay, number at letter A, then 2 by 5, then 3 by 5, then B, then C, then 6 by 5, then 7 by 5. If we have to find this next, these 2 points are D and E. After then 10 by 5, 11 by 5 and 12 by 5. We have to find this A, B, C, D and E. Okay, we studied, okay, we learned that how to represent numbers on number line. For that, what we have to do, first we draw number line, and whatever the question we will be asked, that according to our question we what we decide. Okay, our question is greater than 0 and or less than 0, greater than 1 or less than 1, or greater than any number. After then we denote that two numbers. Okay, then which our question is less than and greater than. Okay, after then we make parts on number line by calculating difference between two numbers. Okay, we see the denominator. If as example our denominator is 8, then we divide gap between two numbers into 8 parts. Okay, and how we do that? We subtract big number, we subtract small number from bigger digit and divide by number. Okay, and that number is our number of parts. Okay, if we want to 8 part, then we divide by 8. If we want 6 part, then we divide 6. Okay, gap between two numbers, divide by 6. So, and now in this question we have to find these numbers. Okay, this. So what we do, first we calculate difference between two numbers. Okay, see here, can we calculate difference between two numbers? No, because here one number is not given, so we can't calculate difference between these two. So what should we do? Okay, if there is two numbers in two numbers, then we can calculate. See here, see here, two numbers are written, so we can calculate difference between these two numbers. And on number line, always numbers are written with equal difference. Okay, this difference and this difference always same. Okay, so on number line, difference between two numbers, so calculate difference between these two, or any and not any two number, any two sequential number. Okay, one after one. So if we want to this, then we can, or this two or these two, but we can't calculate difference between these two, because if we subtract this 10 by 5 from 12 by 5, then it will give difference between, it will give this difference, it will give this difference. But we want to difference between, but we want to calculate difference between these two numbers. Okay, this sequential number. So always calculate difference between sequential numbers. So let's take this 2 by 5 and we subtract smaller number from bigger. So 3 by 5 is smaller than 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So here denominator are same, so we can subtract numerators. So 3 minus 2, 1 by 5. So difference, this gap is 1 by 5. If let's check this one, 7 by 5 minus 6 by 5, then again it is 1 by 5. So difference is same. So now we can find this A, B, C, D and E. Okay, if so here this is 0 by 5, this is 0 by 5, and again in previous lecture we saw that how to label numbers after 0. So simply we added difference in 0, then we got this number. Again we added difference in this second number and we got third number. So same as like that we do here. Here first number is 0 by 5, then we add this difference 1 by 5 and we will get, denominators are same, so we can add 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 by 5. So our number A is 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So we can write here 1 by 5. Now we have to find this B. So simply we add difference. We add this difference in 3 by 5. So we add difference in 3 by 5. 1 by 5, then it will give 4 by 5, 3 plus 1. So this is B. Same as C. Now B is 4 by 5. Now we add 1 by 5 in 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. This is 5 by 5. And we can write as 1 is equal to C. So this is 1. Now D. So we add simply difference in 7 by 5. Then we will get D. So 7 by 5 plus 1 by 5, it will give 8 by 5. So this is D. So this is D is 8 by 5. Now you can directly say that what is number after D. So add difference 1 by 5. So 8 plus 1 is 9 by 5. So we found all the A, B, C, D, E. And this is same procedure for second question. So you can try it. So for another video, stay tuned with my channel after Shala.